All right, to give your course a photo. Now, why would you want to give your course a photo? Well, initially, right now I'm logged in as me, as the teacher. So I'm the teacher of my class, and my class looks great, and I'm setting things up, and what do I... So, but the reason you want to create a course photo for yourself is, look at these are all the courses that are currently in this current category. And you'll notice my one sandbox right here. This is the class I'm going to use for my video demonstration. It doesn't have a photo, and so as a result, it doesn't really stand out, does it? Now, if I look at the course at the Moodle main page for MCOE eLearn, every course is given at the very least this default photo right here. And that's the default photo, but that default photo does not show up when we're actually looking at the category. So we want to add a photo so that a picture so that our course kind of stands out. So I'm logged in as the teacher, and here's my cog, and I'm going to go to that little sprocket thing, and I'm going to use edit settings. Again, all of these settings are always customizable and updatable. And here is the course image. So I'm going to click here. I'm going to choose a file. And I already downloaded a picture that works for me. So there it is, demo. I'm going to click open and upload this file. And there it shows up. All I have to do is click save and display. Nothing appears to change, does it? Well, that's because it's a course image. So when I click on courses and then click on workshops, all of a sudden my sandbox now has a course image, and it really kind of makes it stand out.